A very good morning to you. Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of Andhra Pradesh Research Common Entrance Test question paper. And I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NetGate, GSI and other competitive exams. Welcome to set 3. Coming to the first question. Which pair of elements typically have similar ionic radii? The options given are A. Sodium and potassium, B. Sodium and chloride, C. Sodium and magnesium, and D. Sodium and fluoride. The correct option goes as C. Sodium and magnesium. When compared to sodium and potassium, sodium and chloride, sodium and fluoride, sodium and magnesium elements have similar ionic radii. So C is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following minerals is stable if pH is greater than 8 and EH is plus 0.1? The options are A. Pyrite, B. Siderite, C. Hematite, and D. Limonite. The correct option goes as C. Hematite. Hematite is stable under the conditions of pH less than 8 and redox potential EH is plus 0.1. Next question. The process of formation of placer deposits is A. Residual concentration, B. Mechanical disintegration, C. Hydrothermal process, D. Oxidation and supergene enrichment. The correct option is B. Mechanical disintegration. The formation of placer deposits is based on a process called mechanical concentration. This begins with the mechanical disintegration of parent rocks by weathering, and this weathering it frees heavy stable mineral particles which are then transported by moving fluids like water or wind and are deposited in areas of lower current velocity where they become concentrated. Next question. Petroleum reservoir rock should contain A. More porosity and more permeability, B. Less porosity, C. Less porosity and less permeability, D. Non-porous rock. Petroleum reservoir rock should contain more porosity and more permeability. This is to store and transmit hydrocarbons such as oil and gas, and these rocks need to be capable of holding a sufficient volume of petroleum and allowing it to flow out through wells for production. So petroleum reservoir rock should contain more porosity and more permeability. Next question. Which one of the minerals is the source for nuclear fuels? A. Monazite, B. Apatite, C. Epidote, and D. Augite. Obviously, the correct option goes as A. Monazite. Monazite is a source of nuclear fuel because it is a mineral rich in thorium, which can be used as a nuclear fuel alternative to uranium. While uranium has been the traditional nuclear fuel, thorium is being researched and developed as a potential future fuel, which is due to the greater abundance of other safety advantages. Next question. Match the following. A, B, C, D are given. 1, 2, 3, 4 are given. A. Chalcopyrite, B. Barite, C. Ilmenite, D. Galena. 1. Barium sulfate, 2. CuFeS2, 3. PbS, and 4. FeTiO3. Options given are A. A2, B1, C4 and D3, B. A3, B1, C2, D4, C. A1, B2, C3, D4, and D. A4, B3, C2, D1. So the correct option goes as A, that is chalcopyrite is copper sulfide, CuFeS2, copper iron sulfide, and barite is BaSO4, and ilmenite is FeTiO3, and galena is PbS. So A is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is not cataclastic? The options are A. Slump breccia, B. Fault breccia, C. Solution breccia, D. Volcanic breccia. The correct option goes as D. Volcanic breccia. Slump breccia, fault breccia, solution breccia, these are all cataclastic. Next question. Which one of the following is chemical structure? The options given are A. Crossbedding, B. Lamination, C. Casts and molds, D. Stylolites. The correct option goes as D. Stylolites. The term stylolites, that is, it refers to a geological or chemical sedimentary structure found in the rocks, not a specific chemical compound with a fixed molecular formula. And these are irregular, interlocking, tooth-like seams or sutures that form within the rock mass due to a process called the pressure dissolution. Next question. The equivalent of chronostratigraphy unit series is A. Era, B. Epoch, C. Period, D. Phase. The correct option goes as B. Epoch. The geochronological equivalent of the chronostratigraphic unit series is epoch. A series is a body of rock layers deposited during a specific interval of time, while an epoch is the name for that interval of time itself. So the equivalent of chronostratigraphic unit series is epoch. B is the correct option. Next question. Cretaceous rocks in India exist in A. Tiruchirappalli, B. Spiti, C. Kutch, and D. Tachira. The correct option goes as A. Tiruchirappalli. Cretaceous rocks are notably present in the Tiruchirappalli or Tiruchirappalli district of India. The region is considered as one of the best and most extensively studied areas for Cretaceous deposits in the country. These are often referred to as the field museum for these formations. So Cretaceous rocks of India exist in Tiruchirappalli. A is the correct option. Next question. Age, epoch, and period units are used in A. Biostratigraphy, B. Geochronostratigraphy, C. Pedostratigraphy, D. Lithostratigraphy. Age, epoch, and period units are used in geochronostratigraphy. Next question. New crust will generate along A. Divergent plate boundaries, B. Convergent boundary, C. Triple junctions, D. Benioff zone. New crust will generate along divergent plate boundaries. At these boundaries, tectonic plates move apart, allowing magma from the mantle to rise and solidify, forming new oceanic crust. So this process is a key part of the tectonic cycle, and it occurs most often at the mid-oceanic ridges, like the mid-Atlantic ridge. Next question. The nature of the early oceans of the Earth is A. More acidic, B. Basic, C. Neutral, and D. Slightly acidic. The nature of the early oceans of the Earth is more acidic. The early oceans of the Earth were likely more acidic than they are today, with early estimates suggesting that a pH between 6 and 7.5. And this initial acidity, it was due to high levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Through the ocean's pH gradually rose as silicate weathering, which has increased and stabilized over geologic time. So the nature of early oceans of the Earth is more acidic. A is the correct option. Next question. What are invariable primary elements in the biosphere? A. Sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, and potassium. B. Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus. C. Beryllium, aluminium, and chromium. D. Titanium, vanadium, bromium, helium. So the correct option goes as B. Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus. These are the invariable primary elements in the biosphere. Next question. What is the oldest granite? A. Singhbum granite, B. Eranpura granite, C. Closepet granite, and D. Chamundi granite. The oldest granite is the Singhbum granite. The oldest rocks in the Singhbum craton, which is predominantly granite, these are around 3.5 billion years old, and these are even indicators of older crust in the region, but definitely these are dated granite is approximately billion years old. So Singhbum granite is the oldest granite. Next question. Which one of the following is not proterozoic basin? A. Kadapa, B. Vindhyan, C. Kalagi, D. Gondwana. Obviously, Gondwana is not a proterozoic basin. D is the correct option. Next question. What is the early formed mineral in the discontinuous Bovens reaction series in silicate melt? A. Anorthite, B. Albite, C. Olivine, and D. Quartz. The correct option goes as C. Olivine. Next question. Middle cephalic sediments are deposited in the environment. A. Marshy environment, B. Fluvial environment, C. Lacustrine environment, and D. Fluvial glacial environment. So the correct option goes as A. Marshy environment. Next question. Which of the following is not evidence of neotectonic activity? A. Off-streaming, B. Disrupted terraces, C. Truncated saddles, and D. Widening of river channel. The correct option goes as D. Widening of river channel. This is not the evidence of neotectonic activity. Next question. The best method for determination of age of sediments: A. Uranium lead method, B. Thermoluminescence, C. Potassium argon method, and D. Rubidium strontium method. The best method for determining the age of the sediments is thermoluminescence. Thermoluminescence is not necessarily the best method for determining the age of all sediments, but it is one of the several powerful luminescence dating techniques. This is often used in conjunction with or superseded by optically simulated luminescence dating, depending upon the specific characteristics of the sediment and depositional environment. Next question. Which stratigraphic method is useful to establish basalts of ocean stratigraphy flow? A. Biostratigraphy, B. Lithostratigraphy, C. Magnetostratigraphy, and D. Event stratigraphy. The correct option goes as C. Magnetostratigraphy. Magnetostratigraphic method is fundamentally used for establishing the stratigraphy and age of the oceanic basalts, and in fact the study of the marine magnetic anomalies in oceanic basalts. This was crucial to developing and validating the global geomagnetic polarity timescale and the theory of seafloor spreading. Hope you have followed the content and the questions. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time.